starting the day with the morning walk. It's currently 6:24. See, tugnaw na dyan siya. Kaya foggy siya. Foggy na siya. Nagbut mata ni mo. In 2 weeks time, winter na. I can hardly see anyone from afar. And all you can hear are the birds chirping. And rabbits are everywhere as well. Hey girl. So we're going down at the beach now. Oh. Can hardly see anyone. I've already seen 1, 2, 3, 4 people. Other people walking their dogs, and then a couple exercising. It's good to be out. And barely there's anyone. Loving it. Loving it. Thank you for another good day, Lord. Beautiful day. Quiet day. I'm worried it has been washed out here. It's already dead. There's nothing I can do. Close up. 2 water bottles and a bag of poop. And she's there asking for some treat. And going back, we're just gonna take it slow, just walk, no more running, because it's just too much for her. She just can't handle it anymore. So I'm trying to picture in between those pine trees. Get back on those pine trees. So pretty. Playtime for her. She was tired from her walk, but then once I let her do her fishes, and she's not tired anymore. She's focused now to finding fishes. One more step on her before going home. We need to check her favorite spot for fishes. So she already ran up there. She can't wait for me. Earlier when we were walking our morning walk, our jog walk routine, she's too tired. Now she's not. She's even running down those rocks. Maybe tomorrow I'll just leave her at home when I'm doing my run walk. And then I'll just get her back for her fishing time. Oh,